Hey folks, it's another beautiful day here in Livingston, Texas, right? So there's a situation here, but this outside unit looks like it's running. Let me plug in this disconnect back. You can hear it running. You can actually hear it running, but you cannot hear the compressor on. Only the fan is running. The compressor is not running. So when you listen to this unit, you hear a noise like grrr. The compressor will try to start, but it will not start. Okay, it will try to start, but it will not start. So what we're gonna do is, it's just like a starter, and I know what is happening here is a capacitor. Before we even open this up, we know that is a capacitor, because yeah, the compressor is trying to start, but it will not start. You know, a capacitor is not like a starter to start the compressor, so it should be a dead one. So let's open this unit. It's a good man unit, and we see what is the issue inside.